rhythm, look where you're going. Straight course, leg to hand. Halt. After the halt, make a left turn. Hang on 1 second. Why are we turning left? Because he wants to go right to his friend. How did you feel about your line?
I thought the line was good.
How about the jump in? Anything you would change?
Maybe a little more impulsion.
Just a tiny bit, right? Because when he crossed the rail, he just dropped for a second underneath you, okay? I'm wondering if your eye didn't go down for a split second, right, when he crossed the rail, because he went down a little bit too, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next. So look, a judge can sense that from behind. If they see your horse make that little dip and sort of pause and hesitate, 9 times out of 10 it's because the rider has glanced down and the body has come forward just enough to change the horse's balance. Okay,
Hey,
ready,
it's
Kimmy?
If I saw somebody down with
Now
the
you
street
got
down
to
in
see
fast,
somebody
can
who's
you
sick,
help
right?
me?
I don't know
Perfect,
your horse.
thank you.
Have you ridden this one before?
Anna,
Okay,
sorry.
so you should know the stride length
Tie yourself down.
and be able to manage it.
Take us to the school.
Strides,
They need to fax it for me. That number right there. Where it says fax number, fax it to that number, and then bring it back to me. Push the little doorbell right, and just say I'm here.
Turn
Teresa.
left as well.
Teresa's having a
Want
fax.
to go to your friend.
I just pulled down there.
What did you think?
Sorry, huh?
Like to the press, so we were further down the line than I would have liked.
Uh-huh.
We jumped in.
Right.
So I probably could have, like, shortened my reins and, like, shortened the stride just a little bit.
Did it work?
It worked, yeah.
It worked.
Yeah.
Okay, so he got a little bit enthusiastic at jump 1, and you just said something to me. I could have shortened my reins, which means your reins should have been shorter on the way to jump 1. Right? Okay. There you go. Good. I thought it worked out pretty good, but you actually had almost put a little bow in the line for a second. Did you feel that?
Yes, I did.
Curving a little down the middle, and that helped you gain a little room. But I think with a shorter rein, you would have been able to have it together more in the lane. Okay, you ready, Corey?
You can have it, Cherry Coke.
Wait. At the chiropractor or both? Oh, okay.
Stride length. You're not being invisible. You're invisible. All things in the landing, and then a left turn. Now, what did you think of your line? I'm sorry, again?
I asked him about the strides 4 and 5, and I didn't think to.
Actually, I thought it worked out pretty well. I think in front of jump 1, you got a little antsy. Okay, did you feel him get just a little hurried right in front of it? And that was you being like, I'm thinking ahead, I'm thinking ahead, I'm thinking ahead. And you just got a little bit pushy with your body and everything. Like, I want this one to be over because I'm thinking about that one. Let the jump happen, okay? All right? You can be thinking ahead, but you can't translate how far ahead you're thinking. Okay? All right. Before he leaves the ground, you have to be in real time while your brain is in the future. After pace,
It's 4. You got the door in it. That's good. Who can't come?
halt. Left turn. What did you think?
Yeah, I think it's,
I think I moved up
you're going to ride the same
a
exercise.
little bit too much in the first 2 strides. I think
Okay.
it felt a little scared. Right.
Why do you think you moved up a little too much?
That was a little
That's what I do.
slow.
If I learn things,
At the end. Okay. But it all
No, I
worked. It
agree.
was
Yeah.
relative. It wasn't, I didn't find it glaring. You jumped in, you cantered forward a little bit, then you had to balance. I can live with that. That was a nice line. You want to be ultra picky on yourself, so you moved up a little.
because right now, but we probably need to.
But there was nothing wrong with what you did. Okay? All right. beginning, okay? And I think what you really need to do with it is confront it a little bit and say, you know what? I'm not going to worry about it being quick. I'm going to relax about it. It's something that could happen, but I don't need to ride it as if it's happening unless it's happening, right? That was the creation of that. If you come in with a tiny bit more and a little more relaxed about that fact about it, we would have had to move up and down. Okay? All right, ready for it?
Hey,
You're waiting a
do
little
you
bit.
have any truly
Nice trot in,
horrible
6
clothes
strides
in your
out,
closet
straight
that still
line,
have
heel
any
down,
shoulder
slide
pads?
it up.
I need one shoulder pad. Maybe two, but
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Straight. Hold. Turn left.
okay, yeah, if you could take a look.
What did you
Otherwise, I'm
think?
gonna have to go to Goodwill and find some shoulder pads.
A little wiggly.
We
Okay,
have a
so make
community
sure your
riding
rein is even.
zones.
I thought
and
both your
She
jumps
broke
matched
her
each other.
collarbone, which is
And
young,
your
and one
pace is
shoulder can make
relatively
it
the
straight,
same
it's lower than the
every
other.
step. Like when
And
I
you
watched
can
it
mask
go, I
it.
thought, my grandmother could ride down that
You know what I
line.
mean? And I was like,
He was
ooh, the shoulder pad.
very
You know what I mean?
methodical. Every stride was exactly the same. That's really good. But the little tiny bit of wiggliness.
Okay, take a look, let me know.
You have more uneven
Thank you,
rein
bye.
and uneven leg pressure. Make sure
Yeah,
both
it's
your
really
feet
horrible
out.
clothes.
Bring it evenly wide, straight the leg to you.
I mean, I'm
Okay.
thinking like,
All
oh,
right,
people
ladies.
have all those like
Let's
sweaters
do
and
starting
jackets,
us off.
you know what I mean?
Okay? We're going to move that way a little bit as a group. We're going to do
You're not
3
wearing shoulder
lines
pads?
here.